in the California sun.
First of all, I'd like to thank you for accepting this collect call, and to tell you what you're about to hear is sincere. It's not the drugs or the alcohol. I know you said that it had to end. I don't expect you to bail me out again, but right now, girl, you're my only friend. It's true, I did you wrong for way too long, but that's the past, so let's move on. It's a new song, so let it play on and on from dusk to dawn. Tell the neighbors complain, or the cops come.
Oh, the life of a sinner
In the California sun.
I know, I live the life of a sinner. But when it comes to other women, you're my only one, hun, so this is the beginning. Let's go, let's go. Let's live the life of a sinner, and we'll be living on the run, right here in the California sun.
I wouldn't blame you if you just hung up. I understand that you're getting fed up. I can't say that this is the last time that this will happen, but I try, oh yes I try. I say I wanna change, but I lie, oh yes I lie. And you know I stay consistent, yeah I ain't perfect, but at least I admit it. And I ain't ever gonna change, and don't forget it.
I know, I live the life of a sinner. But when it comes to other women, you're my only one, hun, so this is the beginning. Let's go, let's go. Let's live the life of a sinner, and we'll be living on the run, right here in the California sun. Da-da, 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 da-da.
Why don't you come take a trip on the dark side? Just me and you sitting side by side. You can't knock it till you've seen it. I know I said this be the last time, but this time I mean it. So let your hair down, let your shoes get dirty. Let's take it slow, yo, there's no need to hurry. I'ma hold your hand the whole way, so